I made a $1,000 AI SaaS product in less than an hour without writing a single line of code. And I know it sounds pretty easy, but actually it's easy with AI tools. So if you are in New York or anywhere else and scrolling through YouTube in March 2026, and you might think that AI hype is only for coders and tech genius. But in reality, you are missing out on money. I have tried a lot of different tools, wasted months on no-code junk that makes prototype you can sell. But guess what? And finally figured out with Interpro. And I'm going to show you step by step how I turned a vague idea into an app that makes money, what features made it ready for production, and why these tools beat competitors like Lovable or Replit. And by the end, you will know how to quickly start your own AI business, make money like a pro, and do it all without any skills or trouble. So let's get started. I come up with a crazy idea to test it out, an app that uses AI to help people with their relationships. You know, something that looks at user chats, give personalized advice, and even lets you pay for premium sessions, all without me having to write any code. The phrase "just press enter, sip like a pro" caught my attention. I signed up on their site intro.pro and got 500 free credits through a creator link. And that was enough to make a prototype without spending any money. Look at this, the interface is really smooth and the AI actually keeps up with your thinking and then goes further than you can expect. Pros plan mode is a game changer. I made in my vague idea make an AI app that gives relationship advice in natural language, keeps user data safe, and manages subscriptions. And instead of going straight to code, the AI act like a project manager, like a lead architect. And it broke everything down into a professional roadmap with database search maps for users' profiles and chat histories, authentication flows for secure logins, business logic for generative advice, and even UI wireframes. And then it asked me to confirm each step, like do you want Stripe for payments, Supabase for the backend. This turned my half backend idea into a well-organized plan. It's wish coding where the AI does all the hard work. And with the plan set in stone, I wanna make my app smart with real AI ability. And this is where Interpro really shines. It's a single hub for all the best models. Claude, GTP, Gemini, and even multi-model beasts like Veo 3.1 and Nano Banana Pro don't have to deal with APIs, keys, or subscriptions. I chose Claude 4.5 for its deep reasoning on the backend logic and GPT 5.2 for its ability to come up with creative advice. And the AI handle everything from making React components for the front end to styling with Tailwind and serverless functions for the backend. It worked well with cloud storage so user data stays safe without me having to set up servers. And the best part, it's ready for production. It can be deployed, maintained, and scaled. This is not a toy model, it's a real tool with built-in database and billing. And really, it feels like putting together Lego blocks to build. The components feature Interpro lets you mix and match modular pieces however you want. I also added a block for a payment gateway, a chart interface, and an AI analysis module. And seriously, the UI visual editor blew my mind. I could change colors, fonts, and layouts right on the live preview by clicking on blocks. No menus, no problems. And I just said make the advice bubble sound more caring if something does not seem right. And the AI improved it on the fly by adding multi-model features that lets users upload picture of outfits or date ideas to check the vibe. And I had a working prototype in less than an hour, but Interpro does not just build, it gives people the power to own things. I sent the whole source code to GitHub so that I could make changes if I needed to, connect a custom domain, and deployed it within one click. The app went live thanks to Interpro infrastructure and users do not have to do anything extra to set it up. It's really felt like a dream from one sentence to an AI product that could be shipped. This is how the custom agent builders works. And I did not rent rigid SaaS like a $99 per month advisor tools. Instead, I had a digital workforce that was made just for me. My app was not just a script, it felt like a smart assistant that could answer questions intelligently around the clock. Alright, now comes the real test, making money. I shared the app on X and LinkedIn, calling it a private relationship agent for professionals who are busy. The viral hook, a demo where it decoded a fake argument and suggested solutions based on psychological data from integrated models. And I had beta users signing up in just a few days. I set up different levels of pricing, free basic advice and $99.10 per month for premium insights. with image analysis. But that big win came from a custom tweets. I used Interpro to make a B2B version of the app for coaching businesses. One person contacted us, loved the prototype, and paid $1,000 upfront to sell it to their clients without our branding. And boom, I got my first 4-figure check and I did not have to code anything. And this is the really best of the best thing. And it was not luck, it was Interpro SaaS liberation that did it. Every traditional SaaS you pay for is like hiring a worker who limits your logic. With Inter, you can create private agents that works only for you, replacing generic tools with smart ones that are made just for you. Compared to competitors like Laravel or Bolt.new, which are good at UI but not so good at backend work, Inter stand out because it gets professional grade results. Replit agent is like a sandbox, and Devin from a congregation AI is teammates you pay to work with, coming you on a one-click engineer. And it's amazing how AI is changing the balance of power when you think about it. It models getting better every day. Cloud Sonnet 4.6 just come out for better stability. Tools like Interpro can help people who are not tech savvy become founders. I did not have to know a lot of things about prompts because the AI built the system. And my app now runs forever on their infrastructure, handling payments and scaling without any problems. And that's $1,000 is only the beginning. Next, I'm going to make a vibe check stylist that uses video models to suggest outfits. And if you are like me and I have a lot of ideas but not many skills don't trend, take charge of your digital army. Go to Interpro, click on a creator link in the description to get those 500 credits and then hit enter. Ideas into real things, one enter away. Who knows, your next vibe might be worth $1,000 too. So now what are you waiting for? Go to Interpro and try it now. Again, link in the description. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you have any queries or question related to this video and regarding Interpro, then definitely comment and too.